Hello everybody, welcome to a new series called What's Inside. This is the net ball that we recently took out from its net. I popped one of the holes, so now it's already slimy. Where's the hole? Oh, there it is. Whoa! It's very liquidy, as you can see. And very sticky. And inside this ball, today we're going to find out what's inside this ball. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Oh, that's good. Okay. Welcome today, the ball surgery.
Wait, that's a slime? Whoa.
And this is all the slime that's in it. I bet my little sister would be happy to play with this. She loves slime. Alright, so inside it's just rubber. Let me make it inside out. Very shiny, very sparkly. So yeah, inside this net ball, there's nothing else but rubber and slime. So hey, how much was it? How much was this?
$1.
How much does it cost to buy glue and all that?
More, but you can make more slime.
I know, but you can buy more. Wait, you can buy like 2 of these, and it would be the same amount. And well, that's it for today's video. Slime out.